Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this red and purple two-toned makeup look. This is my first official YouTube video, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by taking my Revlon Insta-Filter foundation and just putting it all over my entire face. Sometimes I use makeup sponges, but usually I just use my fingers. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch your face. I set my face with NYX setting spray all throughout my makeup process. Then I take a medium fluffy brush and my NARS-issist palette, and I mix the light and dark brown. And I apply that right underneath my cheekbones. I don't really feel the need to blend it out too much because the next step is taking my pale powder and just putting that all over my entire face. And that kind of blends out the contour for me. Make sure you get a really even coat all over your entire face. Then I take a fluffy small brush and the dark brown contour, and I put that on the underside of my nose and along the sides. I'm just filling out my contour here, my forehead contour, with the same NARS-issist palette. Then I mix this pink and red blush and I put it just right on the apples of my cheeks. Then I take the light brown from the NARS-issist palette and finish contouring underneath my lips and my chin. Set my face again with NYX setting spray. Now I'm moving on to my eyebrows, and I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup lip palette. And obviously it's very dirty because I use it every single day. You don't have to brush your eyebrows, but I find that it's easier to fill them in when I do. I'm gonna be doing one brow red and one brow purple. I always draw little individual fake hairs right at the start of my eyebrow. I find that it just kind of blends more naturally, but that's personal preference. Now I'm taking my brush from the Naked 2 palette and my foundation, and I am putting it underneath my eyebrow to create that clean cut. Most people use concealer for this, but personally I don't use concealer at all. I only use foundation and powder. Now I'm just taking a completely clear fluffy brush and just blending out that wet foundation. Next, I'm taking my Revolution highlighter palette and I'm going to be using the pinkish purple one. and that's going to be going directly underneath my eyebrows with a fan brush. Fan brushes are amazing for highlighting, specifically under the brow. I'm gonna set my face again with the NYX setting spray. Wait for it to dry. Now I'm taking my NYX Ultimate Mattes, the red, and I'm putting it underneath the purple eyebrow. On this particular look, I don't spend too long blending it out because I want it to be kind of vivid and blunt. And now I'm taking purple and putting it underneath the red brow. And once again, blending is very minimal because I want it to be that brightly colored. Now I'm once again taking my foundation and I'm gonna make a little half circle on both of my eyes. I'm gonna be taking that exact same highlighter and now putting it over the foundation on my actual eyelid. I'm putting a couple coats on so that I really get that nice shimmer. Now I'm taking the purple from the same Ultimate Mattes palette and putting it underneath my eye. And I'm taking the red from the same Ultimate Mattes palette and putting it underneath my other eye. I'm gonna set my face with NYX setting spray before I highlight, and now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and highlight my face with that same Revolution pinkish purple highlight. I highlight all over my face. My chin, my cheekbones, my nose, and then I do one line underneath my contour. I also highlight right above my brows and the middle of my forehead. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX white liquid liner and following the half circle I made with the highlighter and foundation on my eyelid. I also added some white dots off camera. And now I'm gonna take my Maybelline black liquid liner and make some wings. Now I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil and putting it on my waterline. I'm brushing out my bottom lashes with the same brush I use for my eyebrows, and then I'm putting white liner on my bottom lashes only. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and putting it on my top lashes only. I do not use false eyelashes. I used to, but honestly, I prefer myself without them. I don't enjoy the process of putting them on, and I don't enjoy the process of taking them off either. Now I'm taking an angled brush and my Revolution eyeshadow kit and doing some cute little fake freckles. I make a whole bunch of little dots and then I tap them with my finger. Now I'm taking an angled brush and I'm going to be using my Anastasia lip kit, and I am going to be doing my lipstick. I overline my lips a lot, so that is going to be shown. I do my bottom lip first, and then I press my lips together to create the guideline of where my top lip is going to go. And then I just fill in the space. So thank you guys for watching. This was my purple and red two-toned look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also be sure to check out my bio for music credits if you like this song, and where to find me on my other social media. I will tag it all below. Thank you so much for watching.